Welcome to the charming city of Lisbon, the edge of Europe. Here we will discover cobblestone streets, tiled buildings, vintage trams, and crazy hills. Today I'm showing you a few awesome places you have to visit on your next trip to Lisbon. Our first stop of the day is Commerce Square.
Praça do Comércio
Is Lisbon's biggest and most famous square. It's right by the water, surrounded by bright yellow buildings, and used to be where kings arrived by boat. Now it's the perfect spot for epic views, cool statues, and just soaking in the city's energy.
Do your happy dance.
Lisbon's April 25th Bridge, often compared to San Francisco's Golden Gate, was named after Portugal's 1974 revolution that restored democracy. In Lisbon's Commerce Square, you might come across intricate sand carvings created by talented street artists. These temporary sculptures often depict famous figures, historical scenes, or in this case, imaginative creatures. We're making our way east along the waterfront past the cruise ships to the Santa Apolónia train station in Lisbon. Opened in 1865, it's the oldest railway station in the city and has been connecting travelers for over 150 years. Even though it's the end of the line for trains, it's just the start of an adventure. You step off the platform and you're practically in Lisbon's historic Alfama district. Just around the corner is Lisbon's National Pantheon. Originally a 17th century church, this stunning monument now honors Portugal's greatest figures. Inside, intricate marble patterns dazzle, and from the dome, you'll get breathtaking city views, a must-visit for history and architecture lovers. Fun fact, Lisbon's Pantheon took 284 years to complete, longer than the U.S. has been a country. Make sure to climb the stairs to the top of the Lisbon Pantheon. It's a small effort for a breathtaking view. If you're looking for epic Lisbon views, this is the spot. When you visit Lisbon, don't forget your walking shoes. The city is super walkable, but wow, there are so many hills. It's apparent to us that the Portuguese love to laugh and have a good time. We wrapped up our first day with an awesome free, donations welcome, walking tour led by the amazing Bruno.
That had all these ideas from the Lusitanian side. It was a guy called Viriatus. The only reason I'm talking about this guy is because we're going to see a statue of him today when we get near the river. There's going to be a moment that I'm going to point. That's Viriatus. Viriatus was, well, we consider him the first Portuguese, all right? Portugal was not born yet, but he was the first one defending what is today our national territory. So that's why we consider the guy the first Portuguese.
The Santa Justa Lift is one of Lisbon's most iconic landmarks. Built in 1902, this neo-Gothic iron elevator has a striking resemblance to the Eiffel Tower's architecture. Originally powered by steam, it now runs on electricity and offers an incredible panoramic view of Lisbon from the top. Skip the Justa Lift line, enter through the Carmo convent at the top. No waiting and same epic view. Every walking tour needs a stop at the local bakery for natas, a true taste of Portugal. As we wrap up our tour, Bruno reminds us to seek out authentic Portuguese coffee shops, bakeries, and restaurants.
Try to look for places that are not, well, they actually don't look like nothing. Places that are more like a coffee, you know, like what we call a family business. I don't know if you still remember this word or you might know it, but you know what it means, tasca? Yeah. All right, for me, saying a Portuguese place written in English, saying typical. I'm understanding if the place is typical, it doesn't have to call themselves typical. And if it's typical Portuguese, it should be written in Portuguese, not in English. That's kind of, right? But you got the idea. What I want to say.
Just like Bruno said, if you want the best food experience in Portugal, stick to the authentic local restaurants and bakeries. If you're loving the journey, don't forget to like and subscribe. Lisbon Day 2 is just around the corner. More adventure coming your way. Thanks for watching.
Very good. You'll like it.
Dang good.
Muito bom. Muito bom.